Okay, so we're going to have a quick look at binary addition. Now, binary addition is fairly easy if you can just remember these few simple rules. So, 0 plus a 0 is a 0. 0 plus 1 is 1. 1 plus 0 is 1. Okay, up until this point, it should be fairly easy to remember because this is just exactly the same as it would be in denary. Now, we get to 1 plus 1, and in binary addition, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. And if you think about how that would look if you wrote it down and you were doing a denary addition, 0 carry 1 would be a 0 in this column, and then the 1 would be carried over to the next column. So essentially what that is 1 0. And 1 0 in binary is 2 plus nothing, so is a 2. So in actual fact, when we say 1 plus 1 in denary, that is 2, and 2 in binary is 1 0, which essentially is 0 with the 1 that's been carried over onto the next column. Similarly, with 1 plus 1 plus 1 in binary addition, that is 1 carry 1. And if we use the same kind of thought process in denary, 1 plus 1 plus 1 in denary is 3. And if you think about what 3 is in binary, it is 1 1 because it's a 1 plus a 2. So again, that's the 1, and we've carried 1 over to the next column to make 3. So if you can remember those few simple rules with binary addition, you should be able to do this fairly easily. So let's do an example of binary addition. So let's take the number 1 1 0 1, and let's add that to 1 1. Okay, so we start off on the right hand side with 1 plus 1, which remember we said was 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 is 1, plus 1 again is 0, carry 1. So we're going to take 0 and carry our 1 over here. Oh, sorry, I should put it at the top, seems I put the first one at the top. Next column is 1 plus 1, which again we know is 0, carry 1. And finally again, 1 plus 1 is 0, carry a 1. Obviously we've got nothing to add that 1 to, so it just drops down and gives us our result there. Let's do another example. So this time we'll do 0 0 1 0 1 1. So we'll make this one a little bit harder. And this time we'll add 1 0 1. So this one's going to be a little bit longer. So 1 plus 1 is 0, carry 1. 1 plus 0 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 0, carry 1. 0 plus 1 is 1, and we're left with a 0 at the end. So again, it is in fact given us the answer there, which is the same as the last example. If we want to just check our results there to make sure that we're right, it's always a good thing to do. We could just convert these into denary just to check our answers. So if we start from the top, we've got 1 plus 2, no 4s, an 8, no 16s, and no 32s. So we've got 8 plus 2 is 10, plus 1 is 11 for that first row there. And then we've got 4 plus 1 is 5. Obviously, we all know that 11 plus 5 is 16. And if we look along at our answer there, we can see we've got 116 plus nothing else. So we know that that one is correct. Also, we'll just check our previous example that we did. So again, 1s, 2s, 4s, and 8s. So we've got an 8 plus a 4 plus a 1, which hopefully is 13. We've also then got a 2 and a 1, which is 3. And clearly we can see again, we've got no 1s, no 2s, no 4s, no 8s, a single 16. And we can see again that that one is correct.